Hi everyone, here we've got WIEPPO S5 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's find the settings. Here let's tap on the display and here we've got the wallpaper, so let's tap on it. As you can see, we can choose wallpaper from live wallpapers, Google Photos or regular wallpapers, so let me pick wallpapers. And as you can see here, we've got some defaultly installed ones from which we can choose. What's more, you can enter your photos and use your photos as a wallpaper. So after choosing the one you want to set, simply click on set wallpaper right here. Now you can decide where you want to set it. You can set it to your home screen, lock screen or both. So let me pick both. Let's get back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been immediately changed. So that's all. This is how to change wallpaper in your WIEPPO S5. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.